Alzheimer's disease results in a loss of cognitive ability beyond what is expected with typical aging. A local newspaper published an article with the following headline: "Study finds strong association between smoking and Alzheimer's." All right. The article reported that a study tracked the medical histories of 21,123 men and women for 23 years. The article stated that those who smoked at least 2 packs of cigarettes a day, the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease was 2.57 times more, or times the risk for people who didn't smoke. Identify the explanatory and response variable for this study. So it seems like we're trying to use smoking status. So the explanatory variable would be smoking status, which is smoked at least 2 packs of cigarettes a day. And you know what? I'm even going to put whether they smoked at least 2 packs of cigarettes a day. And that will kind of clarify that this is a binomial variable. They either did this or not. The response variable is Alzheimer's status and whether they developed Alzheimer's or not. All right. Is this study described in the article an observational study or an experiment? This is absolutely an observational study. Since no treatment and an example would be like requiring men and women to smoke. Was imposed. That seems like a short answer, but I think it's adequate. We've got a little bit of context, and the main thing is no treatment was imposed. Part C, exercise status, regular weekly exercise versus no regular weekly exercise was mentioned in the article as a possible confounding variable. Explain how exercise status could be a confounding variable in the study. All right, so part C. If exercise status is associated with smoking status, it will be difficult to determine how each variable is associated with Alzheimer's status. I mean, the idea with confounding is basically if smoking is positively correlated with Alzheimer's, but exercise or lack of exercise is positively correlated with smoking, couldn't you just say lack of exercise is also positively associated with Alzheimer's? It would be difficult to determine which is which. So maybe we want to put a little example here. For example, someone who does not exercise may be someone who is unconcerned with their health and they might also smoke. They may also smoke or do other unhealthy things. And what's important is all those unhealthy things might be associated with Alzheimer's. Other unhealthy things that might be associated with Alzheimer's. Okay.